Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So first, let me say this video was not planned. As you can see, I'm just taking down the flat twist out of my hair and detangling it. And I was just like, you know what, let me just, do a little video. So I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, but you will be able to tell by the title what it's about. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my wash day routine, and this is like my special wash day routine because I do my aloe vera treatment. And girl, first of all, look how easy my hair is detangling, period. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my aloe vera treatment, how I cut the plant up, how I get the gel out, and all that. So after I detangle my hair, I'm just going to section it into 4 sections, and then I'm going to cut up the plant. Alright, so this is my aloe vera plant, and I'm just gonna cut the plastic off. You can get it from any like grocery store. They have these, and they're really like sticky, like on the side, like it could hurt you. So be really careful. So you need a cup or a bowl. It's up to you, and a bag. I'm just using like a little grocery store bag, and how I do it is I just cut it into smaller slices because it's easier to manage. And you'll notice the inside is really gooey and jelly-like. So that's how yours should be. So what I did was I just take one of the smaller sections that I just cut, and I'm just gonna cut each side off of it and start to get the gel from the inside. I guess it's called gel. I don't know. It's really slimy like. But girl, that's what's gonna get our hair good and straight, right? So it's gonna get our hair real soft. So cut that off or cut that out, and then put the gel inside of a cup or bowl or whatever. I don't I mean, you can cut it into smaller sections, but girl, I just put these big old slabs of gel in the cup. And so, yeah, you want to try to get as much as you can. And this is when that little bag come in handy. I'm just putting the little ends and odds inside of that bag. Alright, so now after I got all the gel out, I'm just going to mix it up, chop it up with like a little spoon or whatever. Now, you should add some water to this, like after you mix it up, but if you don't, like, that's okay. I forgot to, and you'll see like I added it in at the end. But yeah, just go ahead and keep smushing it up. You'll notice it get really watery and jello-y like. And so then I'm going to put my favorite conditioner inside of the cup, which is, as you can see, the Miracle Moisture. And yeah. So now I'm just going to put my towel over my shoulder, and I'm going to start with the first section. I'm just going to lightly detangle it again, and then you'll see I'm just going to part it into subsections and just start applying the gel. Really, like it's really easy, y'all. This is a really good deep condition. So and you'll see me add water in a minute, but yeah, we already talked about that. But yeah, so after that, I'm just gonna put it on my hair, girl. And after I get done really, working it into my hair, I'm just going to twist it into a 2-strand twist. Alright, y'all, so after I got done applying all of it, this is how it looks, and I'm just breaking this one section into two sections. But what I'll do next is just add the rest of the gel, or you don't have to add the rest of the gel, but I do because I just like the way it makes my hair feel afterwards. Like, it's a really, really good deep conditioner, y'all. Like, not lying. So anyways, as you can see, I'm just going to apply it to my roots, and I'm going to work it in with my fingers. And then I'm going to let it sit. I'll probably let this sit on my hair for like 2 hours. It's up to you how long you want to let it sit. But I just did 2 hours, and then I washed it out. Alright, so now I'm back. After the 2 hours, I'm going to wash my hair, or shampoo my hair with the Miracle Moisture. And yeah, I'm taking the bag and my bonnet off, and I'm just going to give y'all a little glimpse of how I actually wash my hair. Now, I wash my hair in Twist Girl because it is so much easier afterwards, y'all. Like, it's so much easier with detangling, with styling, and all that. Like, so that's why I decided to wash my hair in Twist. So after I washed it and everything, um, this is how it looked, girl. All shrunken up, girl. But it is nice. It feels good. As y'all can see, it is very much detangled nicely. And I'm not struggling to detangle my hair. Like, I love this. So I do this to my hair probably like once a month. And I have been noticing a difference with dryness. Like, my hair has not been as dry and easier to detangle. So for me, what I did was just flat twist my hair straight back, like a little Meek Mill style, to go under my wig. And then I'm just gonna add my little oil to my scalp because, girl, your scalp gotta be nice and hydrated, if we want it to grow or whatever. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all like it. Follow me on Instagram at Slate by Tamia. Yeah, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.